Today we're gonna be making holiday harvest popcorn. We have our glaze pop by Gold Medal, the caramel flavor. We're gonna be using raw peanuts, and we have dried cranberries. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of corn oil and 3 cups of corn. We're gonna add 1 3/4 cups of our caramel glaze pop. We'll get that mixed up. It's gonna start to foam up a little bit, just like it does. Oh, you can really smell that caramel flavor. That smells terrific. And now while we have that going, we're gonna add 3 cups of our peanuts. We're gonna get that all mixed up. That smells so good. All right, we're starting to pop now. I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. All right, we got our popcorn popping here. Now we're gonna add our cranberries. We're gonna add about 3/4 cup of dried cranberries to this mixture. We put them in hot. Give that a good stir. There you go. Give that a nice stir up. Get all that stuff mixed in there. All the peanuts, all the caramel. All right, let's give this a try. So let's take a little look at it first. We got some peanuts here. Got craisin here. Oh, it's still really hot too. Look at all those parts and pieces to that. Oh, you can really smell that craisin. Let's give it a try. That craisin gives a little bit of a tart sweetness. The peanut, nice and crunchy. That caramel corn, sweet and buttery. Terrific, really good stuff. Great holiday harvest mix for the holidays. So let poppin'.